Have you noticed now that the weather temperatures are turning to cooler temperatures? You're spending more time inside and maybe more time on your device, your phone or your tablet. That has an impact on your body and also your nervous system. So today's yoga class will focus on reducing the feeling of tech neck, the tightness in your neck and chest and shoulders from looking down at your tablet or phone or perhaps reading a book. The secondary factor is when we are on our phones specifically or a TV, we constantly have stimulus coming in, and that's having an impact on our nervous system. So we end up feeling a little bit wired and tired. That's what this sequence is all about. It'll help fix your tech neck and ground your nervous system. Let's get started. Find your comfortable chair and just arrive in your own body. You can wiggle what wants to be wiggled, shake what wants to be shaked. I'll invite you to close your eyes and tune into your breathing. Just your natural breath. No need to change it. Perhaps notice the geography of your breath, where your breath is in your body. Any feeling tone that the breath brings. Maybe you find it hard or difficult to get a full breath. That's okay. We're just noticing right now. When you feel ready, you can grab the reins, take some leadership of your breath, and begin to deepen your breath into your lower belly. With each inhale, your belly sticks out, it falls forward. This is natural. We often feel used to holding our stomachs in or tightening, tensing our bellies. So just for now, allow the inhale for your belly to fall forward. If it's a little uncomfortable, you can just notice. Stay willing to be curious about this experience. Now that you've arrived in your body, let's begin some gentle movement. Beginning with our neck, tip your right ear to your right shoulder. Imagine breathing in and up through the left side of your neck. Tilt your chin toward your collarbone. Just breathe here. Return to center, coming out the way you came in. Take a breath here, and with your exhale, tip your left ear to your left shoulder. Again, breathe into your right side neck. And when you're ready, tip your chin toward your collarbone. Let's come out the way we came in. Bringing chin up and lifting neck to neutral. Turn your nose to the wall to your right. Take a couple breaths here. Soften your gaze. And return to center. Turn your nose to the left. Soften your eyes. Breathe. And return to center. This time, reach your left arm out and over across your body. You could use the crease of your right arm to hold it across your body. Breathe here. Feel your feet making contact with the earth. See if you can breathe your breath up to your heart, that your heart radiates outward. It's a lift in the chest. With your next exhale, you can release down and just take a couple arm swings by your side. Reach your right arm out and over across your body using the crease of your left arm to hold. And again, feel your feet making contact with the earth as you breathe. On your next exhale, unwind and take some gentle arm swings. You could swing your arms in front of your body, alternating which arm is on top. Yeah. Take some shoulder shrugs too, bringing your shoulders up to your ears and back down your back. The opposite direction. Now we'll interlock our fingers together. As we inhale, we're going to push our palms away from us and draw them up. You can look up here. That's the inhale. As we exhale, push out with the heel of your palms and interlock your fingers at the base of your spine. You'll draw your chin to your chest as you draw your knuckles down to your chair. We'll move through that about 3 times at your own pace. We can do the first one together. Interlock your fingers with an inhale. Push out and up. Use your exhale to push out. Look down. Interlock your fingers at the base and draw knuckles down. Let's do 2 more at your own pace. Syncing breath with movement in a rhythmic way is really regulating for the nervous system. Let's do 1 more and we'll add a little variation to the end. Take your inhale. Exhale. This time when you interlock your fingers behind your back, take a forward fold and draw your knuckles up over your head or toward your head. Press down into the earth with your feet. Stay active. Take 1 more breath in, big breath. Let it all out. Press down into the earth. Inhale, come up. Exhale, chin to chest. Draw your knuckles down. And release. Our next posture today has a rhythmic feel as well. You can watch me do the first one and then we'll do several together. You'll reach your arms out, palms face up. Take an inhale here. And as you exhale, we'll begin. You draw your elbows back behind your body, your palms behind your body. Keeping your palms flipped up, you're reaching behind your body. I'll show you what this looks like. And then your exhale, you're going to reach your arms around so the back of your palms can kiss. So we'll move through this. Whenever you're ready, you can join in. Take an inhale. Exhale, draw your palms towards your body. Flip your palms around, keep them face up. Use your exhale like you're giving a backwards bear hug. Back of your hands touch or come as close to touching as possible. No straining. Take an inhale and exhale. Begin. Wherever you're at with this, let that be perfectly you. We need not rush or strive to be anywhere different than we are in this posture. Let's do 2 more. See if you can slow your pace down by like 30%. Go at 70% speed. Last one. Release your hands to your lap. We'll take just a couple more postures together. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Bring the back of your left hand to your outer right thigh. And you can place your hand on the back of your chair here. Let's not pull ourselves into a deeper twist. Just arrive into your twist. Drop your awareness into your lower belly. Again, coming back to the falling forward with each inhale. See if you can release any tension, any holding. On your next inhale, come back up all the way through center. And exhale, twist to the left. Find your twist. And then just begin to soften. We need not create anything here, but see if we can do less. Drop your attention to the breathing in your lower belly. Inhale, reach up, look up. Bring your palms together, and as you exhale, draw your elbows to your knees for a forward fold. Pause here. Notice your breathing, the pace. Notice your heart rate. Or perhaps just notice your feet making contact with the earth. Draw your shoulders down your back, gliding them away from your ears. And once more, see if you can do just a little less here. You can soften even your thumbs, or perhaps any holding in your belly. We'll come out of this first by pressing down with our feet into the ground. Rooting our feet firmly. When you feel ready, take an inhale and hinge from your hips to come all the way back up. I invite you to close your eyes for a moment of mindfulness. Once more, check in with your heart rate, your breath, and the quality of your mind. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. I hope this practice has been helpful. And if so, I teach this class each week on Wednesdays, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks for being here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you next time.